here, and 16-9 is our score. And this is the most inspired that I've seen the Philippine Army play. Ian Laurel here with Andrew Mulya, and of course, Rina Villamor over at courtside, who's having a great time talking with the Russian coaches. And what we're saying is that, alam mo, itong Philippine Army, siyempre may pride din itong pinaglalaban. Kasi sila yung defending champions nitong Shakey's B-League. So, look at that. Even her serves.
The luck is really on her side. Sumabit na yun sa net.
Sumabit na sa net. Gumulong, and she's getting all the points anywhere she's at. Nasa harap, nasa likod, nasa outside, nasa serve. So, Rachel, whatever you did today, this morning, let me know.
Do every day.
Yun na lang. Yes, there was a touch on Tina Sala. Touch over the net. And it's been a very quiet Petro team that we're seeing. No? They don't have anything to cheer them up so far, no?
And, you know, medyo low yung energy. I think what they need is a spark plug. Somebody who will, you know, get them 1 point and will get everyone going
exactly.
again.
Yung medyo mabuhayan naman ng ooh, there, that could be it.
But let's see, what they need is consistency. Actually, yun yung nawala. Hindi consistent. You'll see a lot of errors.
Nastia. Look at Nastia. Grabe
yung pull ng kamay niya.
Yung kasa nung braso up to the arms until that point of impact with the ball, yun yung malakas. Nice save by the libero. Tuyen.
Nangigil si Nastia.
Nasobrahan naman.
Sumobra. These are the errors that they shouldn't be committing at this point. You know, this is a very different movement, very different game that we're seeing.
Ang ganda nung serve nung Tina Salak ngayon. See, now it's a free ball return.
Look at that combination play.
Alam mo masarap sa lahat doon? They fooled both of the Russian blockers. Look at this.
They have 2 blockers here for Balse, and Carolino was left all alone with 2 blockers.
That credit half of that point to Tina Salak. That was a great setup job by Tina. Yung dalawang Russians na bingwit niya. Tina gets knocked out. She gets a facial from Nastia.
Ginantihan. Sabi, yung mga set mo hindi pwede.
But the crowd is cheering Tina on. Medyo she's a bit dazed, but I know she knows where she's at. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
And I'm sure Tina Salak has gotten a lot of those through the years.
A lot more of those. Oh, look at Torres. Kanina pa rin yan, ha?
Look at that! Carolina! Michelle!
Getting it off the block, finding a way to score.
And you know, that's the important thing. Look at this approach from Michelle. She knew she had blockers. And makikita mo, alam mo kapag yung attacker talagang sinaswipe sa kamay ng blockers nila.
Alright, look at the crowd here in the arena, and every one of them is cheering every time Team Philippines gets a point. Talagang nag-cheer sila. Kaya ang saya ho dito sa arena ngayon with the showing of the Philippine Army, the confidence that, you know, the level that they're playing at. Napakasarap pong panoorin. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the V-League Southeast Asian Club Invitational Tourney. More Centralis, definitely more thrills, the Mikasa MVA 300. And Nastia seems to have been controlled by the defense of the Philippine Army. Bihirang-bihira na siya makapagpalusot ngayon. Ito, maganda-gandang reception. Tingnan natin.
Nashling ka niya.
Yun ang inaantay nila, yung magandang reception, a good set to the spikers, and see, they get a good play. But because of the strong serving, ayan, no?
It doesn't happen all the time. So parang dito ang nakikita ko, hindi na rin pwedeng mamili, no? If na-save nila yung bola, they just really have to make the most out of it.
Tina again to Bunag. Scrambling play.
Another combination play.
And you gotta give credit. Well, obviously, it's Mayet scoring, but give credit to Bunag or whoever's coming in for the quick. No, yan yung tinatawag natin na fake.
Yes.
And it all works out because of that fake of the quicker. Kung hindi dahil doon, hindi makakapalo na maganda yung combination attack. Oh, ganda naman. Number 9 attacking.
That's exactly what the Viets of Petro team needs at this point. Lahat ng puntos that they can pile on.
That's right. And would like to greet everyone here. Would like to greet Roxanne Pimentel. Is getting married.
Oh, congratulations,
Roxanne, a former Shakey's B-League player.
Former national team player.
Team player also. Congratulations and best wishes to Roxanne Pimentel.
Crowd is loving what is happening in this game. At eto, syempre, mas magugustuhan pa ng crowd kasi ang laki ng lamang ng Philippine Army over the Vietnam squad.
See, they're targeting. Nastia, kanina ba yan? And sabi ko nga, I think yung pre-game natin, that is one of the things that they have to work on. Pag yung dalawa nasa likod, make them work on defense. And when they're not in front, of course, advantage. Ayan, see?
Look at that from Mayet Carolino to points easily from her service. Yun yung ka-importante ang service. We shouldn't take it for granted.
I know, and a high percentage at that. No, bihirang service error na nakikita natin. Look at this serve.
Look at this winning play. Another good serve from Mayet Carolino.
There you have it. It's a 2-0 lead for Team Philippines. We'll be right back with the third set after this very, very short break.